Tired of stubborn summer tan that just won't leave? Introducing Detan Therapy Wipe Off Mask, certified and clinically tested detan solution with 100% proven results. The mask is applied evenly on fresh cleansed skin. This mask is safe for intimate and sensitive areas like under eyes, eyelids, even underarms, thanks to its ophthalmologically tested formula. Leave it on for just 15 minutes and simply wipe it off. No itching, no irritation, no tingling, just visible results. Clinically proven to reduce tan 72% more effectively than India's leading detan brand and leaves skin 1.5 times brighter. One mask, multiple benefits. That's detan therapy made for every skin type and every summer worry.